Hi guys, I'm John Clyde Dakis and I'm from BSc 82H. And I am here to discuss the mean, variance, and standard deviation. So, before we start, let us define first the mean. The mean of a discrete random variable x is the value that is expected to occur per repetition on average if an experiment is repeated a large number of times. It is denoted by this symbol which is called mu. And this is the equation to get the value of our mean, which is the summation of x of the given x multiplied by the probability of x or the f of x. And it is also called its expected value, and this is denoted by e of x. So sometimes it is denoted like this, e of x or the expected value. The variance of a discrete random variable is defined as the measure of the dispersion or variability in the distribution. It is denoted by sigma square or simply by the v of x. And this is our equation to get the value of variance. Sigma square is equal to v of x is equal to e of x minus the mu, the value of our mean, square, or it is equal also to the summation of x minus mu square multiplied by the p of x. Next is the standard deviation. The standard deviation of a discrete random variable measures the spread of its variable of its probability distribution. It's denoted by sigma. So the standard deviation is simply the square root of the variance, because the variance is the sigma squared and the standard deviation is simply sigma. Given the probability distribution of the random variable x, calculate the mean, variance, and standard deviation of x. So we have here the given of the probability distribution of x, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we are asked to calculate for the mean. So for the mean, our equation is this. So mu is equal to summation of x multiplied by p of x, and p of x is also equal to f of x. So it is also equal to summation of x multiplied by f of x. So mu is equal to x 0 multiplied by f of x 0.02 plus 1 multiplied by 0.2 plus 2 multiplied by 0.30 plus 3 multiplied by 0.30 plus 4 multiplied by 0.10 and plus 5 multiplied by 0.08. And computing that, we will get the value of 2.5. Since we have the value of the mean, next is the variance. Variance, it is the equation for variance. So of x squared multiplied by p of x minus mu square. So this mu, meron na tayong value. So ito lang muna ang solve natin. So for the square is the x squared 0. So magiging 0 siya, plus 1 square multiplied by 0.2 plus 2 square multiplied by 0.3 plus 3 squared multiplied by 0.3 plus 4 square multiplied by 0.10 plus 5 square multiplied by 0.08. And we will have the value 7.70. And now, since we have the value of this, we will subtract the value of mu square. So mu square is 2.5 square. Computing this, we will have 1.45. This is the answer for our variance. And lastly, for our standard deviation, since our standard deviation is simply sigma, so this value of variance, we will just get the square root. So, square root of square is equal to square root of 1.45. So, sigma is equal now to 1.204. Now, this is the value of our standard deviation.